Hello guys, welcome. This is Encisso Art Academy, the art academy for those who have the insatiable need to express themselves through drawing. My name is Alexander. In the previous chapter, we learned how to create the constructive lines. This will help us to draw the main feature of our character with the right perspective, proportion, and precise anatomy. In this chapter, we will learn to use these constructive lines to draw the face. For this purpose, we are going to use three different types of lines. We got the contour lines. The contour lines are the lines that help us to identify the contour of the principal object in our portrait. Then we got the shape lines. When we think in 3D objects, we have different planes. When two planes intersect, we could simplify the intersection of these planes with a simple line. If we have a square plane, like this case, is easiest to identify. But when we got a curved surface, for example, like this sphere, these shapes are not so easy to identify. So that's the reason why we are going to use the volume line. The volume lines are lines that help us to visualize the volume or the form of the object. That will help us to identify the different planes of these curved objects. So in our portrait, we got the contour lines. You could see that we are going to divide our reference photo in different primary areas. For example, we got these hands is one area, this shoulder is another area, and the limits of these areas is when we are going to use the contour line. You could see here the face is another area, and we are going to divide the hair in three main areas. Once we identify the different primary areas of our portrait, we are going to draw the shape lines. These lines are the lines that help us to define the different planes inside each primary area. So in this chapter, we are going to learn how to draw the eyes, the nose, the lips, the hands, the shoulder, and the hair, step by step. And finally, we are going to learn how to draw the volume lines. These volume lines is going to be really useful when we go to the shading process, because these lines will help us to visualize the form of the object. Okay guys, so in this chapter we are going to cover these three types of lines: the contour lines, the shapes line, and the volume lines. I hope you're ready. I see you in the next step when we are going to see each individual step more in detail. God bless you. Bye.